Microsoft Windows Tips and Tricks, Part 016. How to remove arrows from desktop shortcut icons. Disclaimer: follow this tutorial at your own risk. Changing something in Registry Editor could damage your computer system. So you must ask assistance to an IT personnel if your computer at risk. Anyways, let's get started. Watch carefully. The full tutorial will be posted in the blog article on my site, so I will put the link of it in the video description down below. Go to Computer, HKey_local_machine software, Microsoft Windows CurrentVersion Explorer shell icons. If these path doesn't exist, create the folder shell icons. From this folder, add new string value, name it as 29, double-click it, and add the value as %windir %system32 shell32.dll-50. Now, restart Windows Explorer in your Task Manager. The arrow icon should disappear. Voila!